So you might be in a situation where for some reason your TikTok account or your TikTok videos randomly don't have any buttons that you can interact with, or maybe it's missing buttons. Now sometimes this can happen. So you can see right here I had this random video, and you can see right here I have these buttons to the side. But you might be in a situation where these buttons are missing. The first thing to understand is that there can be some random glitches or some random problems that can cause that. So the first thing you want to do is to just go ahead, kind of just like close out of TikTok. So just, hop into TikTok, close out of it, and reopen your TikTok application. A lot of the times that might end up fixing the problem. It's little tiny things like that that might end up fixing it for you. So that's kind of that first thing I'd recommend doing, is to just close out of the application and give it a few moments, open it back up, and that could very well end up fixing it. Now, if that doesn't end up doing it, the next thing I'd recommend doing here is to kind of go through and see if there's an update available for TikTok. So what you can do here is to go ahead and tap onto your app store, click on the search bar, and all you're going to want to do here is basically just search for the TikTok application. So open up TikTok like this, tap on TikTok, and you can go ahead and update the application. That is going to be another one of those things that you can basically do, and that can very well end up fixing the problem for you as well. If that's still not working, you can also try signing out of your TikTok application and logging back in. That right there can very well end up fixing the problem too. Try logging out of TikTok, giving it a few moments, logging back in. If that's still not working, you can try restarting your phone, or you can also try seeing if TikTok is down, because chances are if it's down, it's probably not going to end up working for you. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.